Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Chiamaka Ugoh and I am glad to have you all here. If this is your first time here, hello, welcome to the channel. On this channel, we talk about all things relating to entrepreneurship, business ideas and growth, healthy lifestyle. We also do beauty tutorials. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for returning to watch another of my video. In today's video, I will be talking about business ideas for young women. That is something they can buy and sell or make or do to sell and generate money for themselves. I feel like we as women do not have many options. So I made this video to show women the many options they have. They don't have to succumb to anyone or be in a bad place because of lack of money. These business ideas are guaranteed to make you lots of money if you have good marketing skills and you are consistent with it. Some are guaranteed to make you more money than the rest, which is fine. Some are also popular than the rest, but the unpopular ones are also very nice because not a lot of people are into it, so you get to shine and dominate that area. If it sounds like something you are interested in, you want to know what these business ideas are, please relax and enjoy the video. So the first one is crochet and locks. This is a fast-growing business most people are not aware of, and this is because most people now use crochet and locks a lot. So you can buy in wholesale and sell, or you can even drop ship it. So the second one is lip gloss. Lip gloss is a cosmetic product almost everyone uses, male and female alike. It is a beauty product that is always in high demand. You can make it yourself and sell, or ask someone to make it for you, which is private labeling, and then you sell it yourself and make your gain. Jewelry is forever a profitable business for young women because you import it from outside Nigeria from vendors on Alibaba at really cheap price, and then you come online and sell it at a very high price, and trust me, people will always buy. Examples of jewelry you can sell include ankle chain, waist chain, earring, nose ring and lots more. Girls love them some acrylic nails, but then not everyone has the time or patience to fix a full set, and most people rather buy acrylic press-on to save time. Most press-on sets are sold for as high as 10k, so if you can make them, please do and sell, or better still, you can buy factory-made ones and sell them. Lashes is forever a trendy beauty product which many ladies use. You can make good money selling lashes, especially in wholesale. You can go to sites like Alibaba and order in wholesale. Then when they ship to you in Nigeria, you go on Instagram and market your goods and you sell. In case you've not noticed, there is a rave about banana bread right now. Banana bread is the new oil business in food business. It is not oversaturated. That is, not a lot of people are into it. So you can make lots of money from it. If you know how to make good banana bread and you have good marketing skills, you'll be cashing out. Now, perfume oil business is another gold mine guaranteed to make you plenty of money. And when I'm talking of money, I don't mean 5,000 naira or 10,000 naira or even 20,000 naira. No, I'm talking of 50,000 naira, 100,000 naira upwards. So if you know how to stock up original, sweet-smelling and long-lasting fragrance, people will always want to buy from you. Who would believe that selling just bags alone on Instagram can make you up to 600,000 naira as profits monthly? You can check Fine Funky collections on Instagram and see the wonders she's doing. A lot of people are now gravitating towards greens and healthy drinks instead of fizzy drinks. So selling smoothies, parfait, and natural juice is guaranteed to make you money on Instagram. You can check male cheese on Instagram for inspo. Liquid wash is also another business idea, but you can only make money from it if you have good marketing skills. You can check Jetty Royal on Instagram for inspo. Braided wigs is a business in high demand now. Since a lot of people make human hair wigs, you can stand out by selling original braided wigs since the market is not oversaturated. Almost all small business and brands need a sticker, logo and even label. So if you know about graphic design, you can contact business owners and tell them, oh, I can make this for you. Head wraps. Turban and fascinators are fast becoming fashion statements. If you know how to make this and you can create beautiful designs, trust me, you will attract lots of buying customers and make money from it. Most business owners are now learning about the importance of good product photography. So if you have a knack for taking good pictures, pitch yourself with small businesses, take good pictures of their products and collect money for it. Props and decor goes hand in hand with photography. So if you're taking pictures for your clients, you can also sell props and decors. Selling of lights is another fast-growing business, and that is because most people are now content creators and would need good lighting for their products and for their business. Another one is sunshade. Sunshade is a very lucrative business also. So if you're looking to start something, then I advise or I would suggest you go sell sunshades. A lot of women are now into self-care and buy scented candles, so it is fast becoming a very lucrative business. Another one is selling of makeup products. Trust me, you are going to make lots and lots of money selling makeup products. The last but not the least is food business. Trust me, food business will always bring in the cash. You can sell ofada sauce, you can sell small chops, you can sell soups, you can sell beans, you can sell rice, you can sell stir-fry spaghetti, you can also bake cakes and sell online. So with this, we have come to the end of the video. If you have been thinking about starting a business but you are confused as to what to do or what to sell, then I would advise you watch this video multiple times, and I hope this video helps you in making the right decision. Also, if you want a part 2 of this video, do let me know in the comment section. And if you have video suggestions for me, please leave that in the comment section. And also do not forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on your post notification bell so you get notified anytime I upload a new video. And I will see you guys in my next one.